Do you want to know how you can log into your Resale.ai account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Resale AI account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Resale AI login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen and it will take you to the official login portal of Resale AI. You can see two boxes over here. In the first box, write down your email address, and in the second box, write down your password associated with your Resale.ai account. After that, click Login. This way, you can successfully log into your Resale.ai account. You can hide or unhide the password anytime by clicking on the I icon. And if in case you have forgotten the password, go ahead and click Forgot Password, write down your mail, click Submit, and you will get a mail from Resale.ai from which you can recover your account and change it. I hope this video about how you can log into your Resale.ai account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.